grabbed my glue. I used a paper towel because that's what I had right there. You want to be careful about how much glue you use. There we go. That didn't sound very relaxing, did it? That loud banging sound. Okay. Perfect. I'm just going to keep using my pincher fingers. Instead of painting the D, I'm going to dip and stick, which probably is going to make my fingers sticky again, but it'll at least stick to my paper better. But if you're using liquid glue, you can go with a paintbrush, you can go over the letter D with the liquid glue, and then you can use your pincher fingers and put it on. Or you can dip and stick. There's more than one way to do it. Is your D almost covered? I know, it takes a lot. So many Skittles. So I got more out of my bag, and it's still not enough. So when you're trying to cover something like a letter or even a shape, say you could do this where you put candy over a square, it's really important to look at how big it is. This D it's a pretty good size D. It's bigger than what we would write. And then how small is the object I'm using to cover it? Because the smaller it is, the more of whatever you're using it will take. You guys are doing so good, and your pincher fingers are working so hard. Remember, we want to use our pincher fingers a lot because we're trying to help our hands get stronger, because that's going to help us when we start writing. If it's just like exercise, if we do this a lot, we use our cutting muscles a lot, and then we start writing, it's going to be so much easier. Okay. All right. If you're not done, please feel free to pause it and take your time. Okay. Can we count? I'm super curious to see how many Skittles it took for your letter D. And if you put the Skittles far apart, it would take less. If you put them really close together, it would take more. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, that's a lot of Skittles, 18, 19, 20, and 21. That's a lot of Skittles. How many did it take to cover your D? Excellent counting. I hope you enjoyed this project, and I hope that if it did make you feel calm doing art, you remember that. So when you need to feel calm, you'll remember, oh, doing art is one of the things that helps me to feel calm. If it didn't calm you, then that's also a good thing to remember, because maybe something else will help calm you really well, and it's out there. It could be anything. It could be a walk, it could be riding a tricycle, it could be swinging, it could be cuddling with the person that you love, or having really soft jammies on, the more things that you find that you can do to help you feel calm, the better. It's something you'll use your whole grown-up life. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.